Alright, quick update on KNC. So, we've been slaughtered today. We're down 17.5% as of the time of recording this. Is the bottom near? Let's deep dive into it and talk about what's been going on. Now, before we do start this video, I would just like to highlight the Cowboy fam. We got out of KNC over here at $5. Congratulations if you've been following the KNC trades, if you've been watching me for really the past 10 days. That's all you needed. We flipped bearish on the 1st of May, so about 10 days ago we got out of KNC. We got in round about, I can't remember where we were to be fair, I think we were around about the $3 mark, somewhere around about here, and we got out at $5. Since then, the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly flipped bearish, and the trend has been defined as bearish. You can see we came back to the EMAs, got rejected, came back, got rejected, came back, got rejected, came back, got rejected, came back, got rejected. So what's probably going to happen next? Well, as we've had this mass capitulation, I wouldn't be surprised if we move up. So don't be surprised if we do move up to maybe 180. Even if we're feeling extra spicy, extra euphoric, we could move up to $2.30. And the great thing about $2.30 is if you come over to the daily time frame, you can see a retest of $2.30 would be a retest of the top of this accumulation range before we entered this bull run for KNC. So if we do come up to $2.30 and we get a rejection, it is basically going to be the nail in the coffin that KNC is done for. So I'm still not in KNC. Like I said, I sold at $5. I'm looking for an opportunity to get back in the market, but if we do landslide below this accumulation range, basically at $1, it's really $1.10, but let's call it $1, as $1 will be a big psychological level as well. You come over to $1, if you do close below $1, we really don't have support until the floor of the previous accumulation ranges, and this is coming down at 69 cents. KNC could get a lot more ugly before we get more bullish, and I've been hammering this in all my videos. If you've watched my KNC videos for the past 10 days, I've been saying we're bearish. The trend is flipping bearish. We only flipped bearish on the daily EMAs yesterday. Look at how long the last bullish trend last on the daily EMA ribbons. It lasted a long period of time. Before that, we have seen a few fake outs on the daily EMA, so I will be, keeping a keen eye on this and seeing how we react to this. But the fact of the matter is, when you're breaking down, if you want a reversal, you want to see bearish volume like this, you want to see it start to taper down, meaning that the bears are losing resistance. What are we seeing? We're breaking down and the volume is exponentially increasing. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. This means that more and more people are looking to offload their KNC. I do not think the bottom is near. I do think we're going to break down to at least the bottom of this accumulation range. Then we could have a potential bounce. This could mean another 32% drop for KNC, and if we do break below that level, we could have another 58% drop for KNC before we reverse. I'm just looking at this objectively. Like I said, I'm a trader. If you watch my channel, you know me. We got in KNC round about this region looking to make a bullish trade. Oh, it was here. I recognize it now. We're on the daily time frame. We got in on the retest of the daily EMA ribbons at $3. We sold at $5 because the 4-hourly EMA ribbons flipped bearish. I'm simply looking at things like a robot. I'm leaving my emotions out of it. I'm looking at things objectively from a mathematical perspective, from a probability perspective, and from all of those perspectives, you've got exponential selling volume as you're dropping. I do not think the bottom is in. That is as simple as it can get for KNC. If we do keep on moving down, if we do break below $1.10, in my opinion, we'd be coming down to 70 cents, which is a huge wick. We can bounce up, we can come up to your EMA ribbons like we said on the 4-hourly. If the 4-hourly tapers over the next 12 hours, which it will, because we're breaking down and we're much further down below $2.80, which is where the long-term moving average is, then we could have a bounce up. We could come up to $2.40, get rejected from the top of the accumulation range, get rejected from your EMA ribbons, and completely landslide. Be very cautious about trading altcoins right now. I'm really not trying to be like a I told you so, but I've been saying this for the past 10 days. KNC's bearish. I've been saying for the past week, altcoins are bearish. I posted this on my Discord, I posted this on my Twitter. I said 12 hours ago, looking at this objectively, the dollar's bullish, stock market's bearish, altcoin holders are going to get slaughtered. Since I posted that, KNC is down 20%, and Bitcoin is sitting at break even. This is a great day to be a Bitcoin holder. My strategy, like I've been saying, is to DCA Bitcoin between 34,000 and 29,000. If Bitcoin keeps lollygagging around these regions, these altcoins are going to get slaughtered. Be very, very cautious if you're all in on altcoins. I think that's probably the worst thing you could possibly do in the market. For the past couple of weeks, I've been saying this to my followers, to the people in my Discord. I've had a bunch of conversations and I've been saying Bitcoin is king. A lot of people are all in on altcoins right now, and I've been saying to all of you, that is a horrible idea. If you're all in on altcoins, then your portfolio is going to get decimated against Bitcoin. And I've had people say to me, but I've only got a small amount of capital and I want to 10x, 100x my money. But this is the risk you take. We're down on every altcoin today. Everything got slaughtered. Bitcoin is looking like an absolute king right now, while the altcoins are getting decimated. I'm all in on Bitcoin at this moment in time. I still have my hodl bags for my altcoins, but I'm not looking to make any more trades on the altcoin market. It could get a lot worse. That's all I've got. Hope you found value in this video. Cowboy out. Peace.